I know. The way I see this playing out is Coinbase is going to get into all sorts of degenerate gambling behavior. And right now it's thinly veiled, behind this curtain of derivatives trading in the two most liquid crypto markets that are regulated by the SEC and CFTC and the American government. And it's onshoring, and it's going to be monitored and surveilled and all these good things that the government loves. And all the seals are clapping in Congress, except Liz Warren, who will tell you, of course, that this will bankrupt you if you don't, submit to the state, whatever. But I expect, Len, to see Coinbase doing sports gambling by the end of next year, 2 years from now, and everything in between in the meantime. People with crypto have a fuck ton of money now, because as long as you didn't sell at some stupid time, you've made a boatload in terms of the actual value of your portfolio. And let's face it, there's a certain sect of the Bitcoin realm, it's an even bigger part of the crypto realm of people who want to gamble. They like the rush, they like the feeling, they think they got an edge, and whether it's a real or perceived edge matters very little to Coinbase. They will take your money, take your scalp and your fees, and they will take your account and make sure that they expose you to as much of their other products as they can while you venture around their platform trying to make a couple of bucks gambling. So I think this is great. I think it's a no-brainer. The derivatives market in Bitcoin getting deeper by the day. Ethereum, I don't know. I think the Ethereum flows are basically dead. Like, I think they had a negative week last week on ETFs again, even with their big update. So, whatever.
We don't need to bring fiat to Bitcoin. Bitcoin in its
we don't need to do any of this stuff. I totally agree. I'm not disagreeing with you, but I'm saying that if you're a Coinbase bag holder, me, you like this. It's because you're going to get money from people who are otherwise, playing with NFTs and other bullshit that takes fucking 10 extra steps. Why not just send your ETH or whatever token to Coinbase? You could also be buying it there already. Coinbase probably sells what? Are they selling 300 tokens at this point? More?
I don't know what they're selling. Way more.
Probably more. So, you can buy anything there and then gamble with it. Perfect. Play in the derivatives market. Perfect. I'm all in. No problem. By the way, derivatives gives you, derivatives on a market the size of Coinbase, a user base the size of Coinbase, gives you a better data point for price predictions in Bitcoin and Ethereum too, which is also fun. It's another interesting wrinkle to all this. So Len's just shaking his head. Just like, oh my God.
And even I could say that Coinbase's, their ability to stay afloat impacts my bag's value. If something happens to Coinbase, the value of everybody's Bitcoin is going to go down.
Sure.
So
yeah,